So there are several reasons why you shouldn't eat fast food, right? But specifically, we're going to talk about Taco Bell. And it's not even about the food itself. I mean, sure, you're not supposed to eat Taco Bell because it's trash. Let's be honest, it's not good for you. But the main reasons you should not go to Taco Bell is because, one, these mother lovers like to trap you. So as soon as you hit that corner, you don't have a choice but to wait in the line. Because literally, now someone else, if you live in a different state and you have a different experience, you let me know. And I might come to your state just to see it with my own eyes. Because every single Taco Bell that I have been to in my entire life has a driveway or a drive-through that you go through, but you can't leave out of. Like, you can't back out. It's the curve and then you're stuck. Period. Done. They're all like that, okay? That's number one reason. Number two, once you get in the line, you're going to wait at least 15-20 minutes. I'm not even kidding. You swear this was Chili's, but it's not. Or I should have said something. Oh, Chili's is like a Mexican restaurant, huh? Technically. Maybe not. I don't know. Anyways, you wait like 15 minutes. And then reason number three is once you get to the line, sometimes these bad boys tell you, can you back up for me and go behind the yellow line and then, or the yellow pole, and then drive back up again? Because yeah, we need to start our time again. What you mean to start your time again? So you lying to the company, you lying to corporate about how long it takes you to serve people food, right? Because that ain't how long it took you to give me my food. When I drove up here is when I was ready to get it, and when you should have been giving it to me, I shouldn't have to back up, go behind the yellow thing, and then come back up so you can restart it. So it looks like you served it in less time than you did. That's crap. Taco Bell, you suck. That's all I got to say. But they tacos decent. They're not good for you, but they're good to you. In your mouth. Okay, bye. Seriously.